Hi, good morning. This is Amutha. Let's enjoy the story of nature. One day, all the disciples went to their master and said, Master, Master, we are all going on a pilgrimage. Master asked, why you want to go on a pilgrimage trip? Disciples replied, so that we can improve our devotion. Master replied, okay, then do me a favor. Please take this bitter gourd along with you, and wherever you go, and whichever temple you visit, place it in the altar of the deity, take the blessings, and bring it back. So, not only the disciples, but the bitter gourd also went on pilgrimage, temple to temple. And finally, when they came back, the master said, cook that bitter gourd and serve it to me. The disciples cooked it and served it to the master. After having the first bite, the master said, surprising. Disciples asked, what's so surprising? Master said, even after the pilgrimage, the bitter gourd is still bitter. How does it come? Disciples answered, but that's the very nature of the bitter gourd, Master. Master replied, that's what I am saying. Unless you change your nature, pilgrimage will not make any difference. So, you and I, if we do not change ourselves, no teacher or guru can make a difference in our lives. If you think positively, sound becomes music, movement becomes dance, smile becomes laughter, mind becomes meditative, and life becomes a celebration. Yes, thank you.